Did you know that the immune system, which is so important for us, can be too aggressive in some people and cause health problems? In this video I'll explain why and what role your genes play in this. The immune system is our most important defense against attackers such as bacteria, viruses and fungi. Without this protection, these microorganisms would multiply uncontrollably and attack our body. To provide us with this protection, evolution has developed an incredibly complex system that uses a variety of cells, proteins and signaling substances. All these processes are controlled by our genes. However, this powerful weapon can sometimes overshoot its target, and this is where our genes come into play. Let's take a closer look at this process. The immune system consists of a variety of specialized cells, but in order for it to work correctly, it needs the function of certain genes that tell the cells how aggressively they should act against attackers. These genes precisely regulate that the immune system does not react too weakly or too strongly to attackers. This effectively neutralizes microorganisms that penetrate the body and protects the body's cells. The immune system, therefore, depends on being controlled by genes. However, some people have genetic defects in the immune system regulation genes, and this is where the problem arises. The immune system is set too aggressively. It still effectively combats any attackers, but suddenly it also damages the body's own cells. There are also some food components that make the problem even worse. Inflammatory substances like arachidonic acid found in meat make the immune system even more aggressive and harmful to cells. On the other hand, there are also nutrients that have the exact opposite effect. They reduce the overly aggressive immune system. Omega-3 from fish or fish oil capsules, as well as organic sulfur, MSM, have anti-inflammatory effects and can counteract an overly aggressive immune system. Several genes are responsible for regulating the immune system, all of which sometimes carry genetic defects. These include, among others, the genes CRP, IL6R and IL1RN. Thus, it is relatively common for at least one or some of the inflammatory genes to be defective. And depending on whether most genes are defective or functioning correctly, the misregulation of the immune system also increases or decreases. The basic aggressiveness of our immune system is thus inherited with our genes. We cannot change that today. But whether we support it through too much arachidonic acid or reduce it through sufficient anti-inflammatory substances in our diet is in our own hands.